So let's start. George, I'm going to pass you for the introduction of the features that have been developed, and then let's move on further.
Thank you, Ziba. Hello, everybody. Nice to see you again. I'm very excited today because I will show you some very nice features that we've been worked on for the past week at Biela. So let's begin. I think it's very interesting. So today I will teach you how can you create a blog, how can you link that blog to a database directly from Biela, how can you integrate an authentication system for your Biela project, and how can you connect your domain to a Biela project directly from Biela. So let's begin. We tell Biela that we wanted to create a simple blog, and to make things happen faster, I will tell Biela that I only want blog posts, no categories, no other features. Let's begin. We hit the prompt button and now we wait. In a couple of seconds, we should already see that it already started thinking. It's defining the project structure, and it should start to write code right now. Okay, so it defined the packages that it needs for this project. Now it's installing those packages, and while it's installing, it's also writing in the background the other files needed for my website. Let's give it a couple of seconds. Okay, so now we can see that it's writing code. It's not me. I'm not that fast at typing. It's defining here some demo blog posts. Really nice. We didn't tell Biela what the blog is about, so it just got a random subject for the post. So it's writing posts about programming, more specifically React. Thing is that it's writing right now. It's writing in React, which is really interesting. The thing is, you don't need to you don't need to learn React if you are using Biela. But let's see how it does. We have some code examples here. And we already have 5 posts. Once we connect our project to the database, it should move these posts from this file to the database. And of course, it should take those posts to show on the website from the database directly. We give it a couple more seconds to finish. Okay, now it should be ready and we should be able to see the preview in a couple of seconds. Okay, here is our blog. Very simple, no images. It can build images, of course. You can add this feature if you want. Okay, really nice. I like the typography. And now, let's begin. To connect your project to a database, you go to the code area and you hit this button, Supabase Connect. So the database connection is made through Supabase. It's a software which offers the backend basically for databases, and it's very, very easy to use with Biela. It will ask you first to create an account. I already have one, so I will just hit the authorize button. We wait a couple more seconds to set up the Supabase project. Okay, it connected. Now we see here a chat suggestion. We hit the green button, create database, and it should start to create the database structure. It will create some migration files. If you don't know what are migration files, I will explain you. They are basically files which contain instructions on how to create the database. It's telling Supabase basically to create a table for users, for posts, and so on. Let's see it happening. So for example, this instruction right here, it's creating a table for blog posts. It's also creating some security policies for Supabase, which is really nice. We didn't tell Biela that, but it does that by default. Okay, it's also creating error handling algorithm for when it can't fetch the posts from the database. It's creating another migration, and then it should run that migration. Look, it's creating the migration with the mockup data for our blog posts. We give it a couple more seconds to finish. Okay, now it should run this migration file. Okay, it ran the migration, and now it's creating another migration. Okay, we have an error. Our AI is pretty busy. When you have this error, you just type in the prompt continue, and it should continue to build the files. Oh, it's building an admin panel. Really nice. We didn't told Biela to build it, but of course we need it. If you want a database, you also want a way to manage the posts from that database. So an admin panel is to be expected. We have admin login, of course. We need to log in. We should be able to also register. We have a page to create a post, to edit a post. Okay, it's rebuilding the main file of the application now. It's rebuilding the header now to include, I think, button to log in or to see the admin dashboard. Look, admin login right there. It's running another migration, and it should be ready really soon. Let's give it a couple more seconds. Okay, it already restarted the server. Let's see if we have preview. Okay, we have preview. We also have some posts here. Let's log in now. Okay, we don't have a register algorithm. Let's see if Biela is telling us what are the default credentials. There are no default credentials. Let's ask Biela, how do I log in? What credentials do I use? Okay, so it's telling us now that it should have created another algorithm to set up our account first, to create our first admin account. Let's give it a couple of seconds to finish. Okay, go back to admin login. Need an account. Yes, I need an account. Thank you. George at teaching code, and I will choose a password. I am creating an account. Okay, the account has been created successfully. Let's see if we can log in. We can't log in because the email is not confirmed. By default, Supabase will send confirmation emails to the addresses of your registered users. So I will go real quick to my email. Okay, and I just received the email. It's a basic email. It's the default template from Supabase. You can customize it, I think, from your Supabase account. Let's confirm it. Okay, it's confirmed. You see that we have an error. I will teach you in a minute how can you fix that error. It's because our website is not deployed yet, but after we deploy it, you should be able to be redirected to your website directly without that error. Okay, we can log in now. And let's try editing a post first. Getting started with React. Let's say getting started with Figma. Let's also modify the slug. And we let the, oh, look, I can generate it directly from the title. Really nice. Okay, let's keep the content the same as it is now. We save the post. We see here it edited. Let's deploy the website. We give it a couple of seconds to deploy. Meanwhile, let's see the blog. Okay, so we have our post title updated already. The link is also updated. We have here nice content. We have other posts as well. While it deploys, let's create a new post. So this is my new post. Let's put a summary here, and for content, let's put lorem ipsum. Let's save the post, and if I go to blog, I should be able to see the post, and yes, I see it, it's here. Let's go to the live app. This is it. It's that simple. I just created a blog with database, with authentication, and the possibility to create a new account, and the possibility to add a post, to edit the post. Let's see if I can delete the post. So I go back to admin. Let's delete CSS grid layout. I confirm it. Really nice. It asked me to confirm that I want to delete the post. This is very important because you can accidentally hit the delete button. So I have the post here. Let's refresh the page. And now I don't have the post. So it did exactly what we wanted. Now I will teach you how can you connect this simple blog to your domain. So for this, I go to settings. I go to domain, I go to add a domain, and here I write my domain. For demonstration purposes, I will use only a subdomain right now. So let's use simple blog.biela.dev. Let's hit the button to add a domain. And all we have to do is to set a DNS record in from where we are managing the domain. So I will add this simple blog. I go to my DNS records. It's type CNAME. We put the name as instructed, and we put the value. We go here, we disable the proxy because we don't need it. We hit the save button, and now we hit the verify button here also. And now if we open this link, we should be able to see the blog. Okay. Took 2 tries, but it's here. So we have database, we have domain, we have authentication. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.
Well, thank you so much, George. It's very exciting because every week you're coming with some sort of hack to teach everyone. I was wondering now, since we have launched the beta version on 15th of April, how many of you have been working with Biela? How many of you have tested it? What is your experience? How do you find it? What are the issues you're facing in terms of maybe you need some sort of guidance on how to prompt correctly, or like I really would like to hear the feedback from the community as well, because at the end of the day, we're trying to meet all the demands that are out there and to finish the product in the most brilliant way. And another thing is, I think this is the most exciting moment for me personally, because we're going to finally announce the winner of a tank game competition. So if you guys remember, for the past 2 weeks, we've been talking in Telegram group about the tank game. We have shared our old favorite childhood game, and we asked you to redesign it, to get some inspiration, like how would you want the game to look like, and to basically develop it using Biela. And among many projects that have been submitted, we finally chose the one that we like the most. Okay, George, what was the main criteria? For me, it was basically the design in terms of how it looks, how appealing it is, in terms of the functionality, how easy it is to use, and how basically it responds, the game responds. So I want to know, and as a developer, what was the main criteria for you?
Well, I think the main criteria was the creativity, because the development was done by Biela, so we can't count that the development part
It
in
did
choosing
well,
a
right?
winner. I think the creativity was the main criteria of this time game. But let's take a look at the winner.
Yes, can we see basically, and then I will announce who is the winner.
Okay,
We
so
need the drums for that.
okay, I don't know if you see my screen. Let me check.
Yes, yes, we can.
Okay, perfect. So this is, I think it's Ricardo's game. Congratulations to
Yes,
Ricardo. So from what I see here,
Ricardo's.
not only he improved the game, but he also created a nice presentation page for the game. I mean, look at the design; it's
It's
perfect.
very nice.
I love
It's
the color.
definitely different from what we are used to as kids, you know?
Yes, 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 yes. It's very, very
So have you
colorful.
played it already?
I played it. Yes, yes. Okay, we have a leaderboard here. Really nice. We have tournaments functionality. I don't think this is working yet, to be honest, but it's nice that we have some info here. We have some cups. We have achievements. This is really nice.
This is brilliant.
Yeah, so if I
Yeah,
complete
you
level
went above
level
and
5,
beyond in terms of
to be honest, I was not able to complete level 5. But so I'm not a survivor now. But okay, I will try. I didn't know
you'll
this.
get there.
Yeah,
Maybe
and
Ricardo can help you.
we have multiplayer and we have game chat.
This is awesome. I think
Yes.
that what we were missing as a kid, to have a game chat. Imagine back in the years.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Would have been
This is
nice.
really cool.
And now
So
this is the game.
to how many old games, to how many old things you can give the new life now by redesigning them and to bring them back to life and making them like very trendy
Yeah,
again, like
we
you
had
did
some
with Tank Game.
people on the group who recreated the game with the one with birds, where you shoot birds, but I can't remember its name.
Was it an Angry Birds?
No,
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 that
no, not
was
Angry
like
Birds. It's the
something
one where
recently that happened. Yeah, I remember the game that you're talking about, but I don't know the name of it. So someone has tried. That would
I
be also
remember.
interesting.
It's
Could
Chicken
it be a
Invaders.
next challenge?
It's Chicken Invaders. If you played Chicken Invaders where you were young, write in the comments. I played it a lot. I think it was the most popular game back then. Okay.
All right. So basically, I know that I promised last week that we're going to bring one of the community members, which is the winner of Tank Game, today on the call. But basically, let's just watch it, okay? Ricardo is in a very, very nice place right now. He couldn't attend it because of I think, the internet connection, but he was kind enough to record for us a video, just a short message for the community and to motivate you all. Guys, get engaged. Like, participate in these games, try BL, like create things. Like, we really want to see the result of our work and your creativity all together. So let's see. Let's watch Ricardo.
Morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are. Some of you already know me. My name is Ricardo Braz. I am the leader of Web Crafters Alliance team and one of the most active affiliates of Biela since day one. Today, I realized that I was the winner of the tank game battle, so for that, thank you team, thank you Biela, thank you all of you. Right now I'm traveling, as you can see. Okay, I am in the middle of Atlantic Ocean. That's why I make this video to all of your community. Understand that we do not work Biela, we just having fun with Biela. This is the main point right now, okay? So I realize, and when I personally see these competitions, I see them as a way to improve my knowledge. This is for me the main point, learning, okay, guys? So, regarding to tank game, I just thought, how can I integrate the retro game into a modern world? And at the same time, being the most interactive website. So first I used the chat, so please use the chat a lot to talk with Biela first. Then in my mind it became very clear what is the final product that I would be like. We are just getting started, so please be very patient with any kind of limitation that Biela have right now. We have the best team working, so I know that Biela one day will be the number one project. So remember that in this world, good things takes time. Okay, so please don't be worry about that. So to end my speech, I have just a little surprise to all of you, and the surprise is in the next 48 hours I will make a giveaway to the first 20 people that join to Web Crafters Alliance team, and the two of the 20 will be rewarded with $50 in Bitcoin each, just because joining to our team, the best team ever. I will post the result in the Telegram group, so please join Biela Telegram group and I will post the results there. So from my side, thank you a lot. We are just getting started, and from my side, Ricardo from Web Crafters Alliance team. Bye bye guys, see ya.
Well, that was nice. That was nice. That was motivating. And I hope that the rest of the community members will pick up their games as well. Guys, we still have our main competition ongoing until 15th of May. Like, this is your chance. Like, really, this is one of a lifetime chance. No one is giving away $10,000 for something that only needs your creativity and understanding of how to use it. And it's very simple. Guys, come up with the nice projects, use Biela and win this competition. Imagine $10,000 is just right next to you. You need to grab it. So please, I want to see very nice project posted. I want to see a live in a community. So I'm sure you all can do it. And please level up. We have 2 weeks to go. So, George, that was nice, right? What he has
Yes,
created.
yes. Congratulations to Ricardo. I really
I
like
know,
it.
I know. And look at him. He is now reinvesting in growing his community, right?
Yes, he's a smart guy.
Look, the game up.
He's he's putting money to make money.
Ricardo, congratulations to you one more time. Very well done. And you're the first winner in the competition that's only starting now. It was our small mini one, and we're going to have a lot of things coming up very soon. Shall we move to the most interesting part,
Yes,
Q&A session? Are you ready?
I am
Okay.
ready.
All right. I want to swipe up back to see if we have missed something. I know that a lot of people were already commenting about the game and stuff. They all got the memory flashback from childhood. Some of the people even said that it was easy. You just get it done with Biela. Well, that's the whole purpose of it, to make your life easy.
Yes, it was easy.
Yes. So, all right, let's start. How did we choose the winner? Well, we have already went through that. Basically,
Yes,
we were checking the aesthetic and the functionality.
yes. Basically, all the games were sent to the whole team, and everyone voted their favorite, and Ricardo was the lucky one.
Yes, I know. All right, here is the question. Is Supabase now the default backend for all database powered by projects on Biela? Or
Yes, right now it's the only backend for databases implemented in Biela, but very soon I think we will launch other databases as well. But Supabase is really nice. You can use it for your website. I'm sure you will do very fine with it.
all right, next question. Can we create crude apps now using BL and Supabase together?
Well, you just saw the demonstration. A blog is a CRUD app, so yes, you can do it, and you saw it. It was very easy. It took me 13 minutes exactly. It took me to create that app. So yes, you can create CRUD apps.
Could I build a to-do list app or habit tracker using BL and Supabase? Is
Absolutely, I
it
don't see why not.
easy?
It will take much smaller amount than 13 minutes to do that.
In fact, you should start doing it right now.
Yes, I think if you start doing it right now, by the end of this live, you will have it finished.
100%. Okay, next question is, can you help me to find the right domain?
Yes, why don't you give us your website idea on the Telegram group, and we will help you with that.
Can I build a client dashboard or admin panel now?
Yes, you can do this. Client dashboard 100%, admin panel 100%. You can integrate both of them. And I even think if you want bigger projects, you can create one Biela app for the client dashboard and another separate Biela app for the admin, and just connect them to the same Supabase project.
Is SSL included when I publish my project to a custom domain?
Yes, it's included. It's generated by default. You don't need to do anything for that.
If I already have a domain on GoDaddy or Namecheap, can I link it easily?
Yes, you can do it very easily. You just have to log into GoDaddy or Namecheap and just set up that DNS that Biela will suggest. It's usually just a CNAME or an A record that you need to put. It's very easy. It's copy paste. You have to copy and paste 2 or 3 things.
What is vibe coding?
Yeah, so basically, vibe coding is coding without coding. It's when you build some apps without typing code, you only type the prompt or you speak the prompt. By the way, with Biela, you can speak if you want. It will not answer back in voice yet, but it will write. It will write the code, or if you ask it a question, it can answer your question, of course. But its main purpose is to write code. So Biela, yes, it is vibe coding. We can call it vibe coding.
Nice. What is the next? When is the next live stream going to be about? Guys, it's a tradition. Every Friday, same time, we're gonna be live on YouTube. So please don't miss out. In fact, you should subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the notify button so you will be notified whenever we're live.
Yes, and write in the comments what you want the next session to be about. Whatever you want, we do it.
I was thinking about the same, by the way. When you started explaining about the blog platform, I thought how nice it would be, for example, if the community sets for us topics for the next call. What would you guys want us to build for you live during this call? Like at the same time, it can be educative for them as well.
Yes. Just write us in the comments or in the Telegram group, and we will do it.
Yes, absolutely. It's possible to integrate videos, audios. This week have some issues on this.
Yeah, it's not currently possible. It can't generate, and you will not be able to upload videos or audios yet. But very soon you will be able to upload videos, audios, images. Images is the main thing that we are working on right now. So you should be able to upload really soon. Just not right now.
All right. Thank you. Do we have more questions? Oh, we have nice feedback. I really love what you did so far, waiting for the next updates. in a week.
Yes,
In a week. Yes, we will make sure that every week we're coming back to you guys with new features added, with new updates, we'll be working on the issues that you're facing. Therefore, it's very important for us to keep the clean, like to keep a communication between us. Please join our Telegram group, use the support function on the website, make sure that you reach out to us for any minor issue that you can experience. It can be like it's very important for us, especially at this stage. So help us to make it better for you. We have more questions. Can we multiply people collaboration in one project? Maybe you already did it. Maybe I missed it because your progress is faster than any expectations. That's very nice.
yes, very
So,
interesting for
can multiple people collaborate on the same project at the
Right
moment?
now, no, but we are working on that, and you will be able to collaborate on the same project either by simultaneously coding, not coding, prompting, let's say,
Mhm.
on the same project, or duplicating another user project and sharing it with your friends, with family.
All right, that's perfect. So let's say that in the next coming weeks, we're going to have this additional feature added to us, correct?
Yes, weeks, not months, not years, weeks.
Exactly, exactly. That's what I love about Biela. We don't make people wait for long.
We are moving
We
pretty fast.
already launched the ready product. We're working with community. We're getting better and better. We're
Yes,
gonna be the product that everyone like. It should be like an essential part of your life. I feel like using Biela. Well done, guys. I really love this tool. Thank you so much. It's really nice to hear such feedback. Do we have more questions?
we have a suggestion. Add automated blog writer as well to automate the whole process of blogging, like Jarvis. I think it should be possible. A very interesting idea. Yes, it should be possible if you just tell BLA to link your project to ChatGPT or another LLM service to get specialized content on an area. I'm pretty sure with the press of a button, you should be able to generate multiple blog articles for whatever you want.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay. So, all right. I think we can wrap it up for today. So we have shared the main features for this week. Guys, please, we still have 2 more weeks to test the platform. Really use it for your day-to-day tasks. Use it for the any dream business idea that you ever had, but you never had time to work on it, let's say. This can be the moment. Really, this can be the moment. It only takes a couple of minutes of your time to create something that you've been dreaming about maybe all your life. Maybe it's time for you right now to change the career, to start that freelancing job you always wanted, to open that business that you always dreamed about. Because again, as long as we talk about it, it's keeps on staying a dream. We have to take an action. And
Yes,
imagine with creating your own website, with visualizing what you have in your mind, it's a really big step at this moment. And you can do it like very easily.
yes,
So, plus, it's a very nice tool for the people that want to try something new without getting into very spending a lot of money, let's say, on that. People with low budget, people that are not sure where to start from. Because again, it gives you the whole roadmap, it gives you the whole guidance on what to do next. So let's say that I will take a promise from all of you that once we finish this call, you will try to build something on Biela and participate. Please, every small project, even if you're a very self criticizing person, believe me, it's worth to show.
Yes, participate in the contest. There are not many projects submitted to the contest right now, so you have a really big chance of winning, especially if you share your affiliate link and you have your friends voting for your project. You can do this.
Okay, perfect. Another thing is, since next week call is gonna be 1 week before the, let's say, the official launching of Biela, because currently it's the beta version, right? I was thinking that how about we bring the team on board? We get our marketing team here, we will get our other developers here. Let's get everyone around. Let's introduce the whole team to the community. One thing is when they hear about us, another thing when you match the face with the name, right? And especially, I believe that community might have more questions, let's say, more requests to the marketing team, to the other departments. And in general, I want to see the heroes behind Biella. So we will come with a bigger group next time. We will be more engaging, and I expect the same from you guys. All right, so we should wrap up today's call. Thank you so much for your attendance one more time. Congratulations to our winner of the game. And you still have, again, reminder, 2 weeks to submit your project and be the luckiest winner of $10,000. $10,000, guys. Don't miss it out. Thank you so much again, and see you next Friday.
Bye.
Bye.